Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, babe? Now I got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
The way Abdiel is, it's a guy that he just gives himself fully whenever he loves something. Whenever we talk on the phone, or just the few times that you guys went over there and we were having a good time, I could see that just growing even more. That's when I realized, like, okay, he's giving himself fully to it, which means that he loves it. He's gonna try to do anything that he can and everything to make this marriage to the best that it can be, and to support you and to take care of you. So that's a great quality to find, and I know that this guy right here has it. So I'm very happy for you guys. I'm very happy that my best friend has found his best friend. And I just want to declare blessings upon blessings. I want to declare that there will be peace, joy, kindness, faithfulness, self control, goodness, gentleness, and love.
Rosie is not just my sister, but my very best friend. I tell my own daughters all the time that a sister is your forever best friend. Growing up together as women, we have remained very close and lived many life experiences together. She is the best aunt to all of our children, always brings the fun to all of our family gatherings, extremely smart, and is the best at dealing with adversity. A few months before meeting Abdiel, we were talking about how you know when he's the one. Fast forward, a few months later, she met Abdiel. I remember how excited she was. I'd never heard her sound so giddy. He is everything Rosie said and more. Thank you, Abdiel, for loving my sister, my best friend. You are exactly what she needed. Thank you both so much. I love you both.
Just want to really thank everyone. I'm just overwhelmed these last couple of days because I felt so carefree. I felt so relaxed, and it's because all of you love us so much and have helped us. We're just so grateful for our families and that everybody has meshed so well this whole weekend. And thank you to everyone who's traveled so far and been so generous with everything, you know. So me and Abdiel, thank you. We love you guys. We love you all.